Many crochet projects that work in the round start with a magic ring. Okay, to make our magic loop, we're going to start by holding the tail between our thumb and our forefinger. We're going to wrap it around like an X. We're going to insert our hook underneath the bottom of the X, pull the top part of the X under, scoop up a loop from the working yarn, and pull it through our first loop. When we take our fingers off, where we had our fingers is now the magic ring. Okay, so let's try it again. We hold our tail between our thumb and our forefinger. Hold onto that tail. Use your working yarn to make an X around your middle finger and your index finger. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, scoop around to the side there and pull up a loop of working yarn and pull it through. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time and I'll try to show you what's happening on the side where you pull up that working yarn, okay? So, wrapping, making our X, insert our hook underneath, pull up that loop, and see over here I scoop it up from the working yarn. I kind of have to hold it down with my ring finger. There we go. And that's it. That's the magic ring.